Welcome back to the T-Bart Origami Show. Today we're going to learn how to fold the pinwheel cube by Tomoko Fuse. Tutorial presented to you by Wilson Lee. Here at T-Bart, we're trying to get people to start practicing origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new to you every single week. At the moment, I'm posting 3 times a week. Every Sunday is my bonus video, where I try to do something that's a little bit more involved, or a vlog video. Every Tuesdays, I'm going to be posting a paper airplane that's part of my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge. Every Fridays, I'm going to be posting an origami model that's never seen before on my channel. So remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Now, let's get back to today's video. Today's video is the pinwheel cube by Tomoko Fuse. It's a cube with the pinwheel pattern on all 6 sides. It's composed of 6 modules that represent the 6 sides of the cube. It's really pretty, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it. Remember, you'll need to make 6 of these modules. They're really easy to fold. Now, we're going to start assembling the modules. In this section, we're going to start assembling the pinwheel cube. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe. It'll mean the world to me. If you've got an extra few minutes to spare, please check out a few other of my videos. I'm pretty sure you're going to find something interesting. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.